Hello everyone, and welcome back to TiviBridge. In today's video, I'll show you how to install, activate, and set up Hot Player in 2026 using your TiviBridge subscription. The whole process only takes a few minutes, so let's get started. First, download Hot Player from your device's App Store. If you're using an Amazon Fire TV stick, go to the Amazon App Store and install it from Downloader app. Once Hot Player has been installed, open the app. On the welcome screen, you will see your MAC address. You will need that to activate the app. Next, open your web browser, whether it's Google Chrome or any other browser, and search for Hot Player. Open the official Hot Player website, then select Upload Playlist. Now enter the MAC address shown on your device. Make sure you type it exactly as it appears. Click Next. On the next page, choose Extreme Codes or M3U link as your playlist source. Now enter the login details we sent you. For the playlist name, you can enter any name you'd like, for example, TiviBridge. Once everything is filled in, click Save. That's it. Your playlist will be added, and your channels, movies, and TV series will start loading automatically. Enjoy your viewing, and thanks for watching. If you need any help or have any questions, visit TiviBridge.com. We'll be happy to assist you.